What's up, guys? This is Seth, and this is my bike. I made a bike check yesterday, but the audio got fucked up, so I'm gonna make one today. The bike itself is a Cult OS frame. I got my frame and cranks a couple weeks ago, and I really like them. Start from the front. I got Animal Edwin grips with Animal metal bar ends. For my bars, I got Odyssey Aaron Ross space bars. I got a Shadow Strike front load stem. It's really the only stem I run, and I really have no problems with them. Animal headset, Odyssey Director forks. One of the weirdest looking forks that I've ever had, but I don't know, they hold up good. Really no problems. Alienation runaway rims laced to a Odyssey Vandero 2 hub. My front tire is Fit FAF. Been running these for a couple weeks. No problems really. Odyssey Aiken pivotal seat with a stolen Thermalite seat post. No seat clamp because it's all integrated. Shadow Ravager pedals. Really only pedals I run other than Odyssey Twisteds. Both good pedals, I just like these. I'm just running these right now. Profile GDH cranks. I was running Odyssey Tom bolts before, but I like these too. Eastern Medusa chain wheel.
It's kind of bent, I like it.
It's kind of bent. No big deal.
Came pretty bent.
Came bent. Back I got a Primo mixed cassette hub. Sounds awesome. I don't know, I'm not even gonna spin it right now.
I'll spin it real quick.
Alright, we'll give her a spin.
Okay.
She's a beaut. Oh, there you go. What did I miss? So yeah, Primo mix cassette.
Your seat.
Animal GLH tire.
See my 3? GLHR.
GLHR. Not really. But both folding tires front and back. Just got these. Yeah, saving weight. Because I'm a weight whore. Oh yeah, the frame. I'm gonna go back to this. I got paint chips everywhere because the paint sucks. It's from Kmart probably. So that's the only thing I really don't like about it. Other than that, it weighs like, like 20 pounds. Because I'm a weight whore, like I said. But it's a really solid bike. I mean, like, just listen to it. I mean, it just takes whatever. I mean, you just, hold on. I mean, it's good. So I like it, and that's my bike check.
Yeah! I did
5 cab.
5 cab? 5 cab or 5 tap?
This is heads, I'm a 5 cab. Heads works, dude. Tails never fails, but heads always works.